Hello! Some of you may know that I have just been through a breakup, and saying as I have been in more breakups than relationships, I think I know how to handle them. Eat. Call them. Eat. Shout at them. You're a jerk! Eat. Break things. Eat. Listen to songs that either remind you of them or is very, very sad. You got to see it for me. Eat. Spam their phone. Eat. Take your anger out on people who treat you very well and you love them. Shut up, Mom, you don't understand! Stop them. Eat. Go to their house and kick them in the nuts. But really, you should stay calm and understanding. Unless they break up with you for like a really stupid reason, like for someone else or stuff like that, because in that case you can go kick them in the nuts.